Hey guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Betty Crocker Measuring Cups. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love to cook. Not all the time, but when I say, okay, I want to make something, I kind of go gung-ho with it. I really do like to put things together, like measuring things and chopping stuff and getting things just right and putting it in there and tasting it and making sure it tastes right and stuff. I mean, it's kind of a little hobby of mine. But yeah, I like these cups. Preferably, this is kind of like my secondary cups that I use, because of the fact that I usually like the measuring cups that have like the lines on them, and they're clear, so you can kind of see through and see the level of where you're putting stuff. These, you have to just assume that it means all the way to the top. Like on the top here, it says all the different amounts there are. Like, it comes with 1 cup, which is 235 mils, and 1/4 cup, which is 60 mils, and it comes with 1/3 cup, which is 80 mils, and 1/2 cup, which is 120 mils. Yeah, this is all basic. This is the basic measurings that certain ingredients will take. What I like to make is cakes, pancakes especially, and I even use these to make like when I'm trying to put together things to go into stews and different things like that. So yeah, I really like them a lot. But normally I will use my other ones because of like what I told you earlier, but also when they're together like this, they have a lot more different cups to measure with. Like, it's not just the 4. I think there's like maybe 12 different ones on there. Yeah, so yeah, it has just more variety, I would say. So yeah, I like it a lot. But when I'm just doing basic stuff, yeah, I can just use these. Betty Crocker is a good brand, and I like the fact that each cup has this little dip in the side that makes it so you can pour. It has this little pouring side there, makes it a little convenient. They come together and they have a hook on the top where you can hang it off of anything in your kitchen. I like to do that. Display your tools so it kind of looks like you're like a real chef, like you know what you're doing. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, these are good, and they are made of real sturdy plastic, real hard, right? Which is good because you have to clean these often, and it's really easy to clean. I like that about that too. I've had these for a good, at least 5 years, and they still look really good. They still look, gosh, just about brand new, they clean real easy. I'm not sure about the material. Something about the inside that makes it so it doesn't really, the ingredients don't really stick. It's like rinse it and you're done. Yeah, it's really good. Really, you can use this for just about anything if you want to. Even it don't have to be baking. It could be anything. You might be making a stew or chopping vegetables or whatever. It's good. But if you're a real deep professional cook, you're gonna have a variety of more cups to choose from. In one pack, they only give you 4, which is the standard sizes. But if you really want to get down into it, you would have a bunch of these, because hey, it's got to be precise, right? Precisely what you want. You don't want to have to say, okay, well, they mean I can get half of this one or a half of that one or just maybe a half of this one. You don't want to have to worry about that. If there's a half of a half cup, that would be on there, So, yeah, that's my take on that. All right, guys. Well, this is the Betty Crocker measuring cups, the red ones. Yeah, I like them a lot. And I hope you use this information. Okay, I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.